Aprons on, get to whisking. Grandma Grimsley's in the kitchen. A little helper by my side. Claxton, say hi. Hello. It's Grandma's Christmas baking sing-along. Here are the nuts, so many nuts. Sugar and butter, king, cookie cutter, snowman and stars. Sprinkles of red, gold, white and blue. I'm creaming butter and sugar. Then add vanilla and 1 egg. Add the salt and flour, the baking powder, and mix until a dough you get. Roll the dough, cut the dough, grease the cookie sheets. Put them in the oven, 375 preheat. Grandma got run over by a reindeer. What did I say about that song you hated? I hate that song! Just hear how Grandma's screaming, the timer's dinging, they're done. Take 'em out, take 'em out, take 'em out! This one's broken, this one's all burnt, this one's just a big blob. We should eat them so nobody sees them. I'm trusting you, Claxton, to trim them. Wait till they cool before you ice them. What do you think? Decorations of black on a pink Christmas tree. Huh? It's things like that that make me want to scream. Uh-oh. Treats are done, show is over. Claxton's bouncing off the walls. Guess what? He ate them all. Yeah! It's Grandma's Christmas baking sing-along. We wish you would like and follow us on YouTube. You can subscribe to us. We'll see you next time.